Got 5 lies? Welcome to the Friday Value video. And I decided I wanted to do a series on this because this is something that I wrote that people can request. And I realized that you might not know you can request this. So I'm going to do this series. And we're going to start with lie number 1. If I stop moving, it will stop hurting. Here's the truth no one told you. Movement isn't your enemy. Your enemy is the lack of knowing how to restore pain-free movement. When you stop moving because something hurts, you aren't fixing the problem, you're adding to the problem. When you stop moving because something hurts, that very lack of movement causes your body to stiffen, to weaken, and ultimately to decline. Your body is not designed to not move. Pain is simply a way your body communicates. It means a joint, muscle, or a body part has been overloaded or undertrained because of lots of sitting and not really doing much, or asked repetitively to perform in isolation without the support it's designed to have. And a lot of the exercises we do in the gym are just such an exercise. When you move authentically, the way your body's designed to move for real life, your body begins to restore itself. Pain quiets down as the victim, that body part that's hurting, gets the help it was designed to get. Real function then returns. Real mobility returns. Stability improves. So your goal? To expose the real culprit causing the pain so you can stop compensating and rescue the victim. I've created this beautiful movement performance assessment where you figure out where's the culprit and you learn how to rebuild trust with your body through intelligent, supported, confidence-building movement that does not poke the victim. Movement that breeds success without the misapplied no pain, no gain adage. Your body literally learns to move with competence and confidence in the way it's designed to move, free of pain. You won't find this unique movement education anywhere in the mainstream fitness or healthcare mantra. There, you're mostly seen as a body part, the part that hurts. That's what you're seeing as you walk through the door, where you'll just end up beating up the victim. And the culprit, the actual cause of the problem, will continue to wreak havoc, getting off scot-free. You need to understand that you're a whole body where everything's connected to everything else. This is how your body truly restores, gets stronger, and more resilient. Your body's not fragile. It's fierce, no matter your age. Your pain is not a stop sign. It's a signal to move differently. You need to learn to move with accurate knowledge of your body's design, not dread. Reject the 5 lies and seek truth to have lifelong well-being. I will see you next week.